Did you know that in the United States alone, homeowners are overpaying billions in mortgage interest every year? That's right, billions with a B. Surprisingly, most homeowners aren't even aware of this fact. They continue to pay high interest rates, unaware of the potential savings they could be making. Imagine if you could save a few hundred or even a few $1,000s every year. What could you do with that extra money? Perhaps you could invest it, go on a vacation, or even pay off your mortgage sooner. Now the big question is, how can you lower your mortgage rate and monthly payment? The answer isn't as complicated as you might think. There are several strategies that homeowners can use to reduce their mortgage rate significantly. If you're a homeowner, chances are you could be saving a significant amount of money just by lowering your mortgage rate. Intrigued? Let's dive in. Lowering your mortgage rate may seem like a daunting task, but it's simpler than you might think. Let's break it down into digestible bites. Firstly, it's all about your credit score. The better your score, the lower your mortgage rate. So how do you improve it? Start by paying your bills on time, reducing your debt, and refraining from applying for new credit too often. It's not an overnight process, but it's worth the effort. Next up is refinancing. This is essentially getting a new mortgage to replace the original. Refinancing can be a strategic move to lower your monthly payments, shorten your mortgage term, or switch from an adjustable rate to a fixed-rate mortgage. However, it's crucial to weigh the costs of refinancing against the potential savings. And let's not forget about making extra payments. By paying more than your monthly mortgage payment when you can, you'll reduce the total interest you'll pay over time. This isn't always feasible, but it's a potent tool in your arsenal if you're able to swing it. Finally, remember to shop around. Don't settle for the first offer you get. Different lenders have different rates, and sometimes a little negotiation can go a long way. See? With a little knowledge and effort, you can take control of your mortgage rate and start saving money today. Let's quickly summarize what we've learned today. Mortgage rates aren't as daunting as they seem. By understanding the factors that influence them and taking intentional steps like improving your credit score and shopping around for the best rates, you can significantly lower your monthly payments. The potential savings for homeowners are substantial, and financial freedom is closer than you think. Remember, knowledge is power. Lowering your mortgage rate is within your reach. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more tips and advice. Here's to your financial freedom.